taking care of everyone else all day. Now it's my turn to take care of me. I just want you to listen. I want you to focus on the sound of my breath. Just listen to my voice. I know you like it when I get this close. I can feel the heat radiating off your skin. And tonight isn't about rushing. Tonight, it isn't about the end goal. Okay. Tonight is about the journey. It's about the sounds of pleasure. Just the sound of the skin on skin. Can you feel it? The way your skin prickles when I barely touch you. You're so sensitive. That's my favorite thing about you. I'm just going to sit right here. Hearing you here. Until you forget about everything outside this room. I just want you to listen to me breathe right now. Just to imagine your head resting right here. Just on your chest while I talk to you. I want to hear your heart speed up. There it is. You're starting to let go. You're starting to melt. That's it. That's it. Just give in to it. I want to hear you. I want to hear the way your breath catches when I do this. Tell me that you like that. It makes your toes curl, doesn't it? I know. I'm just gonna keep doing it until you're completely breathless. feeling a little, maybe not a little, I'm feeling very, very greedy tonight. Those are the sounds so wonderful to hear. The sounds of you. They're just completely mine. Just rest.